Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you a family favorite. It's a very simple cabbage and sausage dish that is going to be your emergency go-to any day of the week. It starts with a 4-quart stock pot right here. In my pot, I have a tablespoon of olive oil that I've got over medium-high heat. Into my olive oil, I'm gonna add about a cup of chopped onions. Into my onions, I'm also gonna put about a tablespoon of minced garlic, just like that. It later. I'm going to give this a nice quick stir. Put in just a little pinch of salt, and the salt is going to help the veg brown a little bit, but it's also going to help draw out some moisture. Half a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to let the veg just kind of wilt and sweat and start to become translucent. The garlic is starting to brown and the onions are turning translucent, and a lot of their moisture has evaporated out. I can actually see the marks in the bottom of the pot with a spoon. So now I know it's time to go ahead and add in the next element, and that is 1 pound of smoked sausage, your favorite smoked sausage. I just cut it in half lengthwise and then just cut them into little pieces like this. It's already cooked, but I want to get them brown and I want to really develop some flavor into the cabbage. So sausage goes in with the onions and the garlic, and we're going to let that brown up for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's so smoky and so good. So to add a little more flavor, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of bacon grease into the pot here. And if you don't have bacon grease, that's okay. It's no big deal. You can even put like 2 tablespoons of butter if you want to. But the bacon grease adds more unctuousness to it. It adds another layer of flavor and smokiness, which is what we're looking for. We really want to enhance the smokiness of the sausage and impart it into the cabbage. I've got about half a head of cabbage right here that I've chopped up into 1-inch pieces, and you can cut it into whatever size you want. You can cut it into ribbons, you can leave it in chunks. I mean, it's cabbage. Do with it what you want. Now don't freak out. I know the pot looks like it's going to overflow and there's no way that it can hold everything. Trust me, it will. Vegetables are mostly water, so a lot of this is going to wilt right out. I'm going to put 2 cups of water right into my pot. And I want to put 1 tablespoon of my gunpowder seasoning. Now it's time to give it a good stir. Time to cover it and let it go. I'm going to turn the heat down to low, and I'm just going to let this cook for 15 minutes and come right back and check on it. You could smell it, couldn't you? He knows. It's time. 15 minutes and the cabbage is cooked, and that overflowing pot that we thought wasn't going to fit earlier has wilted down and cooked down into a gorgeous braised cabbage. It's beautiful and it's so simple. I mean, seriously, this is going to be like your weeknight go-to. When you don't think you have time to cook, you still have time to cook. Needs a little bit more spice, half a tablespoon more gunpowder, and stir this up and kill the heat. Dinner's ready. Now, this is a super fast, satisfying meal for any night of the week. Whether you're rushed or just want something kind of warm and cozy, this is comfort food. This is classic comfort food that I grew up with, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Look at that. Big pieces of sausage, beautiful leafy cabbage, and the cabbage still has just a teeny little bit of crunch to it, just a little bit of bite. This is perfect for the stormy weather that's outside right now. All right, easy, super cool, super fast, weeknight fix. Get dinner on the table, less than 30 minutes. I got you covered. All right, guys, find me on Rumble, find me at YouTube, find me on Facebook. I'm everywhere. Kitchen Bravo is here for you. God bless and good night.